Hey guys, Steve Watts here, standing in front of some beautiful new Tacomas here. It's one of Toyota's most popular vehicles, let alone just a popular truck in general. It's one of the best-selling trucks in the country. But since 2020, 2021, somewhere around in there, they've all been built in one of two plants that were in Mexico. So they used to be built in San Antonio, Texas. Well, as of a couple days ago, Toyota has released some major information on the new Toyota Tacoma that it will now 100% be built in San Antonio, Texas again. So over the next 4 years, they're going to move it there. I have Toyota's press release here. I want to kind of go over that just because I think it's pretty important that you guys know this, because I think this is a game changer when it comes to the Toyota Tacoma and what people are really asking for when it comes to this truck. Straight from the press release. So on July 6th, Toyota announced that it's going to invest $3.6 billion into the Toyota truck plant. Now, I will mention something else, is that there's been a lot of rumbles on the expansion of the truck plant. What does this mean? Stuff like that. We've all been hearing stuff if we've been in these tight circles. There's also a rumor that they're going to do like a RAV4 pickup truck, maybe like a, kind of like a Ford Maverick killer kind of a thing, to where you can, instead of having to go with that one, you can go with that. I don't know any particular information on a RAV4 pickup, but I do know that this press release shows that the Tacoma is moving back to San Antonio. So they're going to create 2,000 new high quality jobs and add 2.5 million square feet to the Toyota Texas plant, doubling its size by 2030. So this is, like I said, over the next 4 years, this is going to happen. So they're going to transition the Tacoma production from the Baja California to the expanded Texas plant over, like I said, the next 4-year period. They're continuing to invest in North America. So Toyota said that by expanding the San Antonio plant, that we're deepening our commitment to American manufacturing, creating meaningful, sustainable jobs while advancing our mission to deliver high-quality vehicles that meet the challenging needs of customers today and in the future. Great statement from Toyota there. So it also says, after a highly competitive process, the expansion highlights Toyota's commitment to Texas as a vital hub for automotive innovation and manufacturing excellence. Texas is where the world builds bigger, and Toyota shows it once more with a $3.6 billion expansion in San Antonio that doubles the factory footprint and creates the 2,000 new jobs that we already talked about. That's from Texas Governor Abbott has made that statement. This Texas size investment reflects the strength of our workforce and the unmatched business advantages found only in our state. Supported by the Texas Enterprise Fund and the JETI program, the expansion will deliver economic opportunities to generations of San Antonio families and further cement Texas as a premier destination for world-class advanced manufacturing. So that's all from the governor of the state of Texas. Obviously, he's pretty excited. So the latest investment will add another assembly line to the campus at Toyota Texas, which already includes a vehicle assembly line and a new rear axle plant that is nearing startup. So this says that the total investment from Toyota in San Antonio will be $8.3 billion since breaking ground in 2003. The new facility will enable increased flexibility for the plant through advanced manufacturing technologies and align with Toyota's broader North American operations. Toyota remains committed to its operations throughout the US, Canada, and Mexico, and encourages a quick resolution to the USMCA to make the North American region globally competitive. So Toyota's local workforce will climb approximately 6,000 team members, supported by 23 on-site suppliers and their employees there. So basically, Toyota will hire 2,000, but you got everything else around that plant that's going to have to also support those 2,000 people. So the actual impact to the community is going to be pretty big. And obviously here in the States, that's something that's important to a lot of us. So for nearly 20 years, Toyota Texas has rolled out top quality trucks and SUVs, assembling more than 197,000 vehicles last year alone. The San Antonio plant is the exclusive home of the Tundra and the Sequoia, both assembled on the same production line, and will begin production at its new rear axle facility this fall. So now there's a bunch of senators and stuff like that as part of the release, where everybody's talking about how happy they are, of course. Here's the thing. I will mention that there's a lot of people that have been really wanting this to come back to the US. There's been room. Everybody's always said, hey, there's room at the San Antonio plant. Why don't they bring it back? Well, I've heard rumors for a very long time. They've been just rumors. What's really good with this press release is that they have now 100% confirmed that it will come back. They're not just going to, willy-nilly do it. Don't get me wrong. It's going to be over the course of 4 years, get everything set up and stuff like that, and the trucks will end up coming back. So here's something. I want to tell you something that I suspect. This is not off of inside information. This just kind of makes sense. So what I would suspect is that when it comes online, so if they're talking about 4 years, it's going to fall really close. They redesigned the Tacoma in 2024. So if it comes back online by about 2030, I'm going to say it'll probably come back online with a body style change. The reason for that is that there's almost no reason to tool that factory up to produce the current body style for a year or two later to retool it to switch the body style. I would be willing to bet that that's probably what Toyota will do. Could be wrong. I mean, they could produce this one for the next 10 years, and then I'm kind of off on that. But I think they're probably going to redo it with a body style, a big celebration on the new Tacoma when it comes out in San Antonio. So you guys tell me what you guys think. The new Tacoma moving to San Antonio over the next 4 years, are you excited about it? Is there a reason that you would buy one that was built in San Antonio over the one that was built in Mexico? Or like a lot of people, Toyota's quality is Toyota's quality. Doesn't really matter where it's built. I've heard that as well. So tell me what you guys think. Love to see it in the comments. Definitely like, subscribe if you can. But giving you the information off of what Toyota has released as of a couple days ago, just now being able to get it to you. So Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.